if an employee is vaccinated and suffers side effects for a day, is this day off covered under the New York State paid vaccine law? No. Um, the law is very specifically limited to up to 4 hours off to go get the needle stuck in your arm. Whatever happens after you get the needle stuck in your arm shouldn't affect your leave under that law. That person presumably can take time off if they have it available under the New York State paid sick leave law. But no, it doesn't extend their time. I suppose there's an argument that it extends the time. Let's say it reasonably is going to take someone 2 hours to go get the vaccination. And as they're driving back to work at the end of those 2 hours, they don't feel well, need to pull over, stop for half an hour, get a sandwich, and they end up being out 3 or 3.5 hours instead of the 2 hours you thought it was going to take. Yeah, I suppose I can make an argument then that they get paid for that whole time. But otherwise, if the side effects arise later, it's not going to implicate any leave under that paid vaccine leave law. It is going to rely on other available forms of leave as may apply. And I do think the New York paid sick leave would be available in that situation if they have it. Yeah, but on the other note on that, in case it's not clear, the 4 hours for each injection does not count against the New York paid sick leave. So that is an additional leave on top of the New York paid sick leave, as is the COVID quarantine leave for employees who are still getting eligible for that. You've been told you have to stay home because you tested positive or were exposed to COVID-19. You have to be off a week. You may have the right to get paid for that week based on the size of your employer and whether you previously used such leave. And that pay is not going to count against your available paid sick leave either.